Hey, future people, welcome to this special edition. It has come to our attention on what is happening on Oyibo or Obigbo. Governor Iweka has become so notorious, has become so heartless that he finds joy in shedding the blood of Igbos. You may reckon that when IPOP was prescribed as a terrorist organization, yes, the Eastern governors were support of that, but they couldn't do much. But today, we find out one of the most respected governor that IPOP. Personally, I don't like Iweka, but IPOP reckon he's one of their men. Today, he is one of the highest betrayer in Igbo land. He's killing the IPOP members. He's killing the Igbos at Oyibo. Iweka cannot tell me this is all about IPOP. It's about Igbos. Majority of those people that are being killed is Igbos. And today, I was wondering what Igbo governors are doing. What our Igbo governors are doing the eastern side, they could not caution Iweka on killing of Igbos. You remember after the Biafra war, the River State people claimed the property of Igbos. Iweka today is sitting on the wealth of Igbos. Let's make it this way that the call of whatever terrorist group you call it. We have Boko Haram going up in the north for a long time. The northern governors have not come out and shoot their people all without being armed. It's only the Igbos that comes out and shoot their people. The Omoteke in Yoruba land has not been shot by anybody. It's only the Igbos that came out to do that. Iweka, you find out that the Igbo governors are toothless. They can't act. Then you take advantage of that, killing the Igbos. Remember that your great-grandfather is an Igbo man. Whatever differences you have with Nnamdi Kanu does not warrant you to take the life of those youths protesting. Maybe they want Biafra or whatever they have. They have right to demand whatever they want to. If you think what they are doing is unlawful, you arrest them and take them to court. You reckon you are a lawyer. I remember you calling Hope Uzodinma a tout, calling him a 419er, calling him a school dropout, and saying you practiced law before you become a governor. But Iweka, I wanted to tell you today that you did not practice any law. You are just a criminal. You are a bunch of idiots. You are a bastard. For going to kill unarmed children, defenseless, you order the soldier to go and kill them.
I've also directed security agencies and the chairman of local government areas to fish out and recently deal with any member of IPOP found in our communities in terms of the executive order and order.
You order the police to go and fish them out wherever they are. These children did not commit any crime. I watched closely when this NSAS was going on. I did not see any flag of Biafrans. I saw these people, they conduct themselves in one Nigeria. But Iweka, you turn around and utilize that as an opportunity to kill the Igbos. You came out in the national television. You utilize whatever grammar that you knows how to speak, only to kill your fellow people, your people. Those boys are the boys that you use to campaign during the time Amechi was trying to stop you from becoming a governor. Those people that you are calling, they are the boys that campaign for you. They are the boys that carry banner for you to make sure that you won. Today you have turned around to pay them by shooting them, killing all of them. Their blood should remain on your head. Their blood should remain on the head of your children. In fact, Nnamdi Kanu have placed 100 million on your head.
Anybody that takes out Wike will get 100 million. It's set aside. If you do it and I don't give you 100 million, then you know I am not a human being, but I'm an animal. Wike is 100 million. Anybody who can take him down, 100 million. Dead or alive, 100 million on the head of Wike, 100 million. He's an idiot. A fool he is.
I'm saying this out that this 100 million need to be extended to your children. Because those those mom that you're making today fatherless, motherless, childless, that same thing should be applied to you. You should live life, miserable life. Your children should never see good. I hope and pray that your children will be fished out. The same thing the same mayhem that you harbor in the life of those moms in Obigbo, in Oyibo, should go back to you. Nnamdi Kanu have not said anything wrong against you. Nnamdi Kanu have not made any wrong statement. That guy was just telling people, give the people the right thing. What he's calling about Ukwocha is not even in Biafra land. It's not even, in Abia land. But he's saying that they need this kind of a thing, this place. He wants the best for the people. What is wrong with that? If Boko Haram are demanding for the best for the Northerners, everyone will support Boko Haram. All the governors will support Boko Haram. But you just think that it is your right as a governor to take up the life of people. This makes me come back to Buhari, come back to the chief of the army force, where a governor will have a right, a civilian, a bloody civilian will have a right to order Nigerian military to go and kill their own citizens. They will all rally up and kill. Recently, America rescued American hostage between Nigeria and Niger border. Trump celebrated that. Nigerian soldiers reckon they are involved. They are not involved. Trump did not mention any Nigerian effort or soldier there. He said American intelligence officer rescued this man. That's where you're supposed to take pride. You do not take pride where you will take pride. You are taking pride by killing guys that are not armed, your own people. And you wake up today, you are proud, calling yourself governor, seeing the soul of all these men lying down everywhere, being shot, without no confrontation. And you call yourself a lawyer. You tell me that you're a lawyer and two wrong can make right? You're a bastard. If you have a son and your son, you have a grown-up son and they did not caution you, their dad, I pray the same death met by those people met to them. Your wife, Eberechi, she came out one time and spoke on TED. I was listening to her. I thought maybe she has a brain. She talked about family violence. I understand today that you guys are just bloodsucker. You are a disgrace to Igbo land. You are a disgrace to River State. And I hope, and I pray that this mayhem that you have caused to so many families, so many dad and mom, should come back to you. Nnamdi Kanu have not done you any wrong. Those IPOB boys have not done you any wrong. You killed them because you wanted to suck blood. You are flexing your muscle between your own states. You cannot go to the north and flex muscle. If you have a problem with Nnamdi Kanu as a lawyer, why don't you sue Nnamdi Kanu in UK? You're a governor, sue Nnamdi Kanu. Why are you taking it over to those young youths? Even though you think they commit crime, what stops you from rehabilitating them? As a lawyer, you think, lawyer, you have a brain. And you are accusing Hope Uzodinma. Hope Uzodinma have never shot any Biafran. You are the one killing Biafran. Today, you will bring your mouth and say Hope Uzodinma is this. Iweka, you a bastard. God will punish you. God will punish your generation. I place curse upon your family for doing this. My heart broke when I saw people being massacred. It doesn't matter if they are Igbo, Europe, or whatever it is, but spraying those blood of people, and you are governor, proud of it, that they should fish out wherever the IPOP are. These are young youths that will help develop the nation. These are the young youths that have brighter future. You have lived your life up to 50-something years. You cut theirs short at the age of 25, 26 years old, and you are happy going to bed, sleeping, and rejoicing that you're a governor. You meet your death, either now or later. Remember, your tenure will not be, it's no more than 4 years more. Amechi was there once as a stronghold, but today is off. The same thing will meet you. Nnamdi Kanu have placed 100 million on your head. Whatever will transpire, you place 50 million on his head. Look at what you are doing as a governor. It's a shame. Iweka, you are shameful. The very day I despise you is the day you disrespect a title man, a traditional holders in your community. When you spoke to them, the way you spoke to them, I know that you are a son of bastard. You deserve to be cursed. Don't think that because you are governor today, remember, you will face the consequence. Believe me this. I'll bring you to the Bible. Esther was in the king's palace where she feel okay. Mordecai remind Esther that don't think that you are there and safe, that the day of judgment will come to you. Iweka, the day of judgment will come to you. I'll leave this to you. Guys, if you're in Obigbo area, please stay safe. I pray and I hope this goes well. And I call on all Igbo governors to rise up and defend your Igbos, to rise up and defend the motherless, to rise up and defend the off-process. Don't allow Iweka to uproot the souls of all these children. Iweka have vowed to clear this voice. Iweka have